Discover the magic of evaporation. Hey kids, did you know water can disappear into thin air? That's called evaporation. It happens when heat from the sun warms up water, turning it into vapor. Imagine puddles drying up on a sunny day. It's like water going on a secret adventure to the sky. Here's the fun part. When water gets warm, its tiny particles start wiggling and bouncing. They get so excited, they escape into the air as invisible vapor. This is how lakes, oceans, and even wet clothes dry out when the sun shines. Science is so cool, isn't it? Evaporation isn't just fun, it's super important. It's the first step in the water cycle, bringing rain, rivers, and oceans to life. Without it, there'd be no clouds, plants would struggle, and our world wouldn't be as amazing and green as it is today. Want to see evaporation in action? Place a small bowl of water in a sunny spot and check it daily. Watch how the water disappears over time. Don't forget to guess how long it'll take. Science is everywhere, and with every cool fact you learn, you're growing smarter every day. Ready to explore more about nature? Subscribe, like, and join us on our next awesome learning adventure.